Welcome to Tech Shaba channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check Hertz or the refresh rate of your monitor in Windows 11. To do this, right-click an empty space of your desktop. Then click on Display Settings. Now all the way down, click on Advanced Display. Now from here, you can see the variable refresh rate showing supported by driver, as I'm using the Radeon RX 570 series graphics card. If we come down here and click on this arrow, now you can see that I can change it to 24 Hz to 144 Hz. But if your monitor does not support variable refresh rate, you will not see any option to change it. You may see only 60 or 30 Hz by default and you not be able to change it. But if it does, you can change it refresh rate from here as you want. I can go up to 144 Hz max. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.